Okay, some of you seem to be having difficulty finding the ebook. So if you go to your Wilson OT102 Spring, right here where it says type reading, that's your ebook. This is the I. Okay? I kind of think of it as an I learning corny. Okay? So click on that. It opens up to the book. Right up here is your home. Level 3. Alright, this one is just an introduction. Right? Module 10 is your advanced business correspondence. As if you click on the level 3, this is all you're going to get. Okay, this is the Skill Builder 4. That's what you want when it says Skill Builder 4 with timed writings. Okay, and you just scroll down. Okay, scroll up and go back. Notice there's no buttons here on the side, no arrows. Go forward or backwards. Okay, if you find another way, go here or here. I go to the home. Okay, then go to Module 10. Okay, now see here, it has an arrow that goes back. So I don't know why it does this, but you know, who knows? Who knows what they did when they were, you know. You can click on that if you want. This is Module 10. 56, it tells you what the new commands, templates, and quick parts. Notice the arrows here. This up here is the audio. If you need the bigger font, use one of these. Alright, you can bookmark this page. You could print it out. Right, if you need help. Alright, same here. Search. If you need the Merriam-Webster's dictionary, glossary, you can make flashcards, or you can make notes. Okay, so this just basically tells you what you're going to learn. You're going to learn templates and quick parts. Excuse me. You have your warm-up. Each one of the lessons, I believe, start with a warm-up. Okay, then you're going to do skill building. Remember to scroll down. This is your scroll bar right here. So scroll down for that. Right? This tells you what they are. You know, if you don't know this by now, then you probably shouldn't be taking an online class, but you won't have access to this. You must have it to download the template. All right? So this gives you the how-to. If you're one of those that need the hard copy, you know, go and you're allowed, I believe, 10 copies a day at the computer labs. Go for it. I personally, you could split screens, just right click, and then you could do show windows side by side or show windows stacked, whatever works for you. Okay. So, and you just keep going down. Then you click the here, and it shows you. This is where I get a lot of my information that I put in Canvas. And you just keep apply it memo, key the memo. All right, let's click on it and see what happens. And it's just blank. Okay? Not a biggie. It's going to tell you how to create a quick part. You know? So you can go down. I probably would split my screen so I had the directions, or use dual monitors, whatever works best for you. And then you're into lesson 57. Okay? Hope this helps with accessing the reader.